Okay, so a very good afternoon, a very good evening, all my viewers. I welcome you to this session. I welcome our VARC educator, one of the top VARC educators on an Academy's CAT platform, Agishri ma'am, to this session. Very warm welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so as the name suggests, the big question. Now we are here to answer this and we are here to discuss on it. Now, what is the big question that all of you might be wondering? Well, when I was an aspirant for CAT in the year 2016, I was a working professional. So I had a very hard time, managing my work and my CAT preparation. The classes after the work office hours was very difficult for me to handle. So that time, this question came on in my mind, like, what is the alternative that I can get? What is the alternative where I can attend classes at any point of time after my office hours or during my office hours or while traveling, while commuting, and living in a city like Bangalore where most of the time goes in commuting. You know, I always had this question. The big question is, how should I prepare? Well, now that I've qualified CAT and I'm working with an academy, so this question might be there for many other aspirants of the CAT 2020, especially the working professionals playing a heavy, they have a heavy percentage in the CAT exam. So Bhagishri ma'am, the big question that comes from the aspirant side is, especially the working professionals, how do we prepare for CAT 2020 while balancing the work life? What would be your answer to them?
Answer is simple. Answer is that see, whosoever is working will be having some or the other advantage. Firstly, so there are the three sections. If we talk about the English section, a person who is working is actually dealing with certain papers on a daily basis. The person might be very much able to comprehend so many things based on the work experience. So first thing is that they get a natural advantage many of the times, maybe not always, but many of the times it's an advantage for all of them that they are automatically better in terms of the beginners, right? So they can handle the VRC, but if they prepare it in the right direction.
Okay.
About the other two sections, the data interpretation, logical reasoning section, it is once again, as the name suggests, interpreting the data,
Right.
interpreting the charts. So many times it is also and logical reasoning. Once again, as the name suggests, there is a reasoning session that helps us to do a lot of things. When we talk about the quantitative ability, sometimes a student, if say let's say of engineering background is there, the person may get an advantage. But now these advantages there, but this is not the end. Like this is like, can a person cannot guarantee that okay, I'm working and everything, so it will be fine. No, it's not actually. See, it is easy to score, but it is difficult if we don't prepare. Preparation has
Right.
to be done. Now, if we do
Absolutely.
this, now in this, we are like in an academy, as we all know. You also know. I'm also knowing. Like, let's just disclose it to everyone. Ki an academy is going to launch an evening batch for all the work professionals, and this is going to be a complete batch where the entire three sections I will be handling. I will be easily helping you out with the VRC portion. Then we
Absolutely
have
right.
top educators for the quant section, for the DILR section. So I was just checking. Yes, we have Samir Sardana sir for the DILR section, and for the quantitative aptitude we have Ravi sir, we have Gopal sir. So it's a full packed batch course where in the evening time, after getting free from all the work, a person can just come live, play the classes, attend live sessions from an academy. We are providing all the guidance, all the study materials in terms of class PDF. There is discussion forum. There are so many mock tests available. So full-fledged preparation can be done only by attending class at an academy.
Wow.
This is how we are going.
So what you mean to say, ma'am, is even after working the entire day, I can literally come back home and I can sit on an academy and literally learn online live. Okay. So what are the dates? I mean, this really intrigues me. So what are the dates and timings? If you could just throw some light, because I'm really interested in these batches that are coming up.
Yeah, there are two batches coming up, and that too in this month of May. One of
Okay.
the batches is starting from 1st of May, and one is starting from 4th of May. And
Okay.
the timings are varying a little bit, and a little bit it will just depend on the educator to educator. But a batch, that one batch is starting from 7 p.m., and another batch is also starting from a similar time. Actually, the thing is, you may find educators same, but timings are all different. The batch in total is going to help anyone, any learner, to stay up to date with the materials, to stay up to date with the happenings. The teaching style here, basically, if I talk about the teaching style of all the educators, though it will vary because section to section it will vary, but
Right.
we will help the learners focusing on how to deal with the questions nicely, what are the possible ways to solve it, and how to not attempt something that will give kind of negative marking for you. So an overall package it will be this evening
Okay.
batch. So it's particularly CAT 2020 week
Hmm.
day evening batch we have one, and we have another batch as CAT 2020 weekend evening batch. So it for everyone. I think it's the
Okay.
weekday batch only.
Yeah.
So I think I just got mispronounced. Weekday batch
Okay.
only.
So you mean to say for working professionals like me, an academy CAT has come up with two batches, one starting from the 1st of May and the other from the 4th of May. And I can come back from work and aram, so I can sit at my home and study. That's not going to be a problem at all. Right. So what are
It
the advantages? What are the additions that I as an aspirant would be getting? If you could just throw some light on it. I mean, the test series or the mock tests, what are your suggestions on that?
See, there are test series, and the beauty of test series is that they are on the weekends.
Okay.
And for an yeah, so test for all the test series, mock tests and everything, they're all there in the weekend. Now,
Okay.
if we talk about these batch courses in particular, since the timings are those that will be helpful for anyone working. Even sometimes it happens that commutation is a problem, and now someone who is not driving, even while traveling, someone can take their phone out and instead of browsing through all that unnecessary songs and YouTube videos like people do in general, just come to an academy, read from here. If I talk about my classes, my teaching style is I tell to all my aspirants that see, you do not need to practice anything different in the VRC section. Just come to the classes, stay focused with the question. Actually, the thing is that even if there are, let us say, 100 sessions, okay,
Right.
as an aspirant is coming and 10 sessions in total, 100 sessions will amount to 100 hours, 150 hours. So it is more than enough for anyone to understand everything. And this batch is just not the end. We have so many batches in the evening, and apart from the batches, there are individual courses running in the evening. So not just if someone is there in not only in these batches, but in entire an academy, if one is a subscriber, they can see, they can even utilize their holidays and everything. Now, a
Right.
person who is working might be working for the entire day, but has the fire within ki no, whatever it takes, I will be just cracking CAT because I need to
Absolutely.
be in that top college. I need to be in the IIM. So the person who want to do, the person will do it anyhow. An
Right.
academy, thankful, is the medium. Now, see, during your days, during my days, there was no an academy. So bad it was. Like we used to cry for classes, how to manage this, how to manage that. They was so bad. It was a bad situation. As I said, if I talk about VRC, there is no need to do anything else except my classes. And yes, the minimum basic can be done is read the newspaper on a daily basis.
Right.
For the
Absolutely.
one section, for the data interpretation section, for the other two sections, of course, experts, the teachers are there to guide you better. When you solve questions daily, you get the experience. CAT is about having more experience with the question. Then the
Right.
questions are always fun.
Absolutely.
Whatever questions
Absolutely true.
in the class, chances are that the person is going to do.
So 6 to 7 months is what I think is left for the CAT 2020 exam. I think this is the perfect time to start off with a batch for working professionals like me, because we cannot like spend more than 2 to 3 hours in a day. Even that will harm our work schedule too. So like I think this is gonna be these batches are gonna be a perfect ones for the working professional, for one starting from May 1st and the other starting from the 4th of May. They will also be inclusive of all the test series, the full length test series, which will be similar to that of the CAT final paper and the sectional mock test papers, which will leave people like me to practice more and more. So this is a really great thing that an academy has come up with. So okay, ma'am. So before that was the big question that I needed a closure on. I needed an answer, and I had been waiting for an answer for a long time. So thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this answer. So any last message that you would be willing to give for the CAT 2020 aspirants, which would, especially the professionals like me, that we would like to utilize?
As I just said, I will repeat my words. If you really want that growth in your career, if you really have that fire to go to that IIM and get that job that you really deserve in future, you have to do it for yourself. If you
Right.
have the fire within, you will do it anyhow, because everyone has time in this world. 24 hours is there with everyone. A student may spend his all entire 24 hours in entertainment. A person who is busy for 20 hours may definitely get 4 hours. Okay, I'm not saying he don't sleep, but yes,
Right.
definitely a person even working may spend his extra hours on entertainment. Just cut
Right.
it down for these 6 months only. Just cut it down, just these 6 months of grilling. Do the study, do the hard work, and future is all yours. That will be my last message.
Okay. So, ma'am, how do I, log in into your plus classes, or how do I get into your plus classes? How do I watch them?
It's very simple. If someone is not having the Unacademy Learning app, just get that Unacademy Learning app. Not having the login ID, make one, and just click on the classes. Just find the upcoming courses. Then there are the batch courses going on. This course you will be going when you will just scroll a little bit down to the learning app. You will get the batch courses, see the ongoing one, okay, you can ignore. See the
Okay.
upcoming ones, enroll on these. In the upcoming one, you will see all these two batches along with other batches also coming up.
Okay.
Apart from the batches, you can also enroll in the courses of individual educators. For example,
Right.
5 courses are there of my coming in the next month. So now it just
Wow.
depends on person to person, but batch courses are complete for it.
Okay. So for that, I'll have to get a subscription for the
Yes,
CAT. Okay. So, and how do I get it? If you can just.
so yes, definitely. When you click on any course, any batch, so it won't open, because if it is not a special class, it will not open. It will itself ask you to subscribe. Just go to the subscribe, enter a referral code if you have. If you have certain credit points already in your learning app, you can
Mhm.
redeem that. You will find that on applying that referral code, you can definitely see whatever the month subscription you can take. There will be options: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. So whatever you may choose, just select that, enter the referral code, and get 10% off. So
Okay.
that's
Two
it.
questions for you. Which referral code and which subscription would you recommend?
I would recommend my own referral code. It's very easy to remember. So I'm
Okay.
Bhagyashi Ghosh. From my name, take BH. From my surname Ghosh, take GHOSH, put a dot and put YT. That's the
Okay.
coolest code ever I know.
Okay. So bgghosh.yt is the
BH
referral.
Ghosh.
Okay.
So it
BH
is a
Ghosh.
big name, na? That's why H I also put. So BH
Okay.
Ghosh dot YT.
Is the referral code, and what period of subscription would you recommend?
Well, if only cat and then nothing you want, that will be disastrous and dangerous. But if
Right.
only cat and nothing you want, then to 6 months, if you can go a little bit more, because 6 month price and 12-month price, there is not a lot of difference.
Okay.
I would recommend to go with a 12-month subscription,
Okay.
because
All right.
after cat, there are omits. A student
Absolutely.
may do that garbad in cat, but if there is that garbad in cat, student may end up taking other exams and get into the top colleges. So it is recommended
Okay.
to go with the minimum 9 month, 12 month
So, okay, all my questions
for
answered. The
students.
big question, two batches upcoming for the working professionals, specifically on the weekdays, on one starting from the 1st of May, the other starting from the 4th of May, and how to get into a subscription, which referral code to use, and which one would be the best. So all my questions are answered. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time. Thank you so much, viewers, for watching us. Apart from these, if you have some other questions that you want to ask Bhagishri ma'am, or if you want to ask an academy, or if there are any specific types of courses that you would recommend us that you want as a learner to be launched, please do reach out to us. Leave your comments, in the comment box below. I'll also circulate a form wherein you can reach us directly, and we'll get back to you with a solution. All right. Thank you so much, Bhageshwari ma'am, for your precious time, for your precious words. And thank you so much, learners, for watching us. Stay tuned to Unacademy. Thank you so much.